friends, my name is Sia and today we will be reading another story. It is called Chu's First Day of School. I hope you enjoyed this book and let's get into it. Chu's First Day of School. There was a thing that Chu could do. Chu was worried. He had never been to school before. What will happen? Chu asked his father. Will they be nice? They will be nice. Will they like me? Chu asked his mother. Of course they will like you, she told him. Chu hoped they were right. After breakfast, his parents took him to the school. There were other boys and girls there. The teacher had a friendly face. She showed them where the toys were and where they would sit. Now, she said, I want each of you to tell the class your name, and I will write it down on the blackboard. You must say one thing that you love to do. My name is Django. I like to get things down from high places. What do you do? Chu didn't say anything. My name is Pablo. I love to climb up things. I can climb trees if they are not too big. What do you do? Chu didn't say anything. My name is Robin. I can sing and I can fly. I love to sing. What do you do? Chu didn't say anything. My name is Tiny. I like to go into my room and close the door and not come out until I want to. What do you do? One by one, they went around the whole class. They all had something special that they did. They loved to dance or to be funny or to run very fast or to read books or to hang upside down. The teacher wrote each name up on the blackboard in chalk. She needed more space to write. She rubbed out the things that had already been on the blackboard before. There was a lot of chalk dust in the air. Now only one little person was left. Hello, little panda, said the teacher. Tell us about you. My name is Chu. Chu! Looks like that big sneeze made a lot of commotion and everyone fell down. Everyone's starting to get up in this next picture. All the chalk has been erased. That's what I do. How was school? Asked his father. It was pretty good, said Chu. Did they like you? Asked his mother. They liked me, said Chu. They were nice. I'm not worried anymore. Good night. The end. I hope you like reading this story with me, and I hope you come back for the next episode of Storybook Reading with Sia. Bye-bye.